show you real quick how easy it is to create a post with this software. The first thing you want to do is head over to your dashboard by clicking dashboard here, or it'll be the first page that pops up when you first log in. And obviously, click this glaring button that's staring you right in the face called Create a Post. So when you click there, you're going to be taken to our post creation wizard, and your first step is to connect FB Post Magic to your desired Facebook account. This is the Facebook account that you want this post to go on. So if this is your first time using the software, you're not going to have any Facebook accounts listed here, so you're going to want to connect with Facebook. Click this Connect with Facebook button and accept, allow, or authenticate, whatever you want to call it, our app to connect with your desired Facebook account. That's all you have to do. It's going to redirect you back to this page, and you're going to see your Facebook account listed right here. This is just a test Facebook account that I created to do some debugging. So I'm going to select this account right here and click Next Step. The next step is really simple, especially right now, because during pre-launch we only have one template available, but we're going to be loading more templates in as we go. So there'll be a lot more here for you to choose from. But right now there's just one template called Blue Money, so that's already selected for you. Click Next Step. See, that's easy, right? Now you're into creating your post. This is where the magic of the software takes place, and it looks a little bit more confusing than it really is, and I'm going to explain each of these fields as we go. The first one is you're just going to name your post. This is for your records, so that when you're looking at the post that you've created, you know how to reference this post and be able to check it out. So let's name this post Test for Tutorial Video. And then one of the cool things that we allow you to do is connect FB Post Magic to your desired autoresponder service. Right now we just have Aweber and GVO available, but by the time we launch we're going to have every major autoresponder service sitting right here for you to use, to integrate with. So for now, if you click on GVO, you'll see a bunch of form fields pop up here, and if you're a GVO user, you know exactly what these are. If you don't know what these are, I would highly encourage you to just steer away from this option, and click on either Aweber if you have an Aweber list, and put in your list name right here. Again, if you don't know what this is, don't worry about it. Or if you don't know what any of this is, just click None, and all of your leads and opt-ins will just be put right into our default autoresponder within FB Post Magic, and all your leads will be stored right here in your back office under My Opt-ins. So if you don't have an autoresponder and you're not familiar with how to hook that up, no problem. Just go ahead and click None, and all your leads will go right here to your back office. The next thing is real simple. This is the website address that you want your visitors directed to after they take your call to action. So after they put their email in, or after they click your call to action button, you want to take them to a website. So this is the full URL, so it includes the HTTP:// you know the deal. And for this demo, I'm just going to put in google.com. So now we're going to customize our post. This is the actual post itself with the title, the subtitle, and all that. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Alright, so here I am at my test demo account called Rich Richmond here on Facebook, and this is my alter ego. So what we're going to do is just come down here to a post that I made, and ignore this slash, it doesn't work that way anymore. And what we're going to do is just click here, and you'll see the post. So you'll see here, this is our actual post. It contains a title, a subtitle, a video, and then here's where our call to action is going to take place. So this is our title, this is our subtitle. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room for a long title, so you want to keep your title short, sweet, and to the point, and limit those characters. Same with your subtitle. Now this is a little bit smaller, so you can fit a bit more text in there. So let's go back to our wizard, and we're going to put in the title here. So we've got our title and our subtitle, and now what we want to do is go grab our YouTube URL. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here and we're going to open up YouTube. And I'm just going to choose any video here. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay. And you want to actually click on the title of the video and make sure that the URL is something like this. So you have youtube.com/watch !V equals and then this ID right here. So you want to copy all of this right here. If the URL that you're using doesn't look like this and it's formatted differently, then you're going to want to make sure that the URL does look like this. So we're going to copy this right here. So we'll pop back over to our wizard here and just paste in that YouTube URL and we're done. So now we have the opportunity to tell the system whether or not we want a timed call to action. This basically means that at a certain point in the video, your call to action button is going to appear or your opt-in form is going to appear, depending on what type of post this is. If you don't want to use a timed call to action, just leave it blank or put in 0 and that'll work just fine. But for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and put in 10 seconds. And then right now we only have one call to action button to choose from, but we'll be loading in more here very shortly. So you should have more. Probably by the time you watch this video, there'll be more here. So that's pretty much it. Now what we're going to do is actually going to create our post, our message. Okay, this is our status message that's going to go to Facebook. And here's an example of what this is. When you post to Facebook, this is what it looks like. And you have the actual message content right here. You have the post title right here. And then you have the preview photo right here. So these are the elements that you get to customize. So you can type in anything you want for the title. This is my post title, whatever. And the post message content. This is amazing stuff. Whatever you want to put. And again, we only have one post preview photo. This is this photo right here to choose from, but we'll have more loaded in shortly. So just click that radio button and check and make sure everything is exactly as you want it, and then click next step. So just to clarify real quick before we move on, this part actually creates the post. So when somebody clicks this play button, they'll see your post with the title, the subtitle, the video, which I showed you, right? And then down here, this is the actual status message. This is what your friends and fans will see before they click the play button. Just want to make sure you're clear on that. So click next step once it's all done. And the final step is just to click finished, do the post now, and this is actually going to post to Rich Richmond's Facebook timeline, which I'll show you here right now. There we go. You can actually click view the post to view the post on the timeline. There it is, 6 seconds ago. This is amazing stuff. This is my post title. I clicked the play button here. Boom, test post for tutorial. There's my title. There's my video, just as I wanted. I'm going to let it play here. And 10 seconds into this video, you'll see my opt-in form will come up. Boom, there you go. Boom, okay, so now we entered my email. Click tell me more, and voila, I'm redirected to Google. The lead was put into my FB Post Magic back office. We'll go to my opt-ins here. And there it is, right there. So you can see that's how easy it is. If you have any other questions on how to do this or you get stuck on anything, our support team